At a recent Can you change all of these irrigation lines so that Did you know that you can change all of these irrigation lines so that they reflect the valve they're connected to? Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for over 30 years, and one of the things I really love about Vectorworks is its ability to control data. You can attach data to almost anything in Vectorworks. It's very easy to create your own record formats, and you can use these record formats to change the graphic style of objects. So we had a discussion with a landscape group. What they wanted was the ability to show these lines and these irrigation points in a way that helps the contractor know which valves they're connected to. Now, I did think that you could use classes to do that, but I just finished teaching a concept called data visualization. And in data visualization, we have the ability to show insulated walls. Now, what this does is it shows all of my thermally insulated walls red and all of my sound insulated walls green. So this is a great technique for changing the graphic style of things based on data attached to them. Well, how do we do that? So if I attach the valve number to this piece of information, what I can then do is to set up a data visualization so that I can show the valve colors. And this is a really easy graphic way of telling the contractor which irrigations relate to which valves. Now, this information is easy to add. I can create more information, and it doesn't actually have to be a valve or that kind of information. One of the things I can use is my eyedropper tool, and I can pick up records, and I can suck up the record from this line, and I can stick it on that object, and you can see it's picked up that valve number. Now, by changing the valve assignment, I've changed the graphic style, and it's real easy to do. I'm a real fan of data visualization. I use it for all kinds of stuff, even hiding stuff. If we have a look at here at creating drawings, I can turn off the insulation, I can turn off my demolished. So there it is. I had a data visualization called hide demolished, and it's great for phasing of your building because you can just turn off all the stuff that's demolished regardless of what it is, as long as it has that record format assigned to it. This is super powerful, and it's one thing that I love teaching. If you want to learn more about data visualization, become a member of my community. I'll put the link in the description, and I'll catch you there. See you later.